Hello and welcome to the introduction video for the ScanPro 3500 microfilm scanner here at Halton Hills Public Library. To get started, let's look at some of the key features of this scanner, featuring a 26 megapixel camera, wide optical zoom range, an automatic carrier, spot edit, and auto adjusting. This scanner supports various media formats, including 16mm and 35mm roll film, microfiche, jackets, micro-opaques, and aperture cards, making it a very versatile tool for different archival needs. To get started, please carefully remove the dust cover on top of the scanner and set it aside. Next, we have various drawers with historical records in the area, containing microfilm rolls and fiche. Choose what you'd like to look at if you didn't bring something yourself. Next, you can power on the computer, and when it prompts you for a password, please see a library associate. After logging in, you can click on the PowerScan 3500 application. Once it's loaded, select the format you chose or brought from the options displayed. Then you can unbox your roll or take the fiche out of its envelope. If you choose a roll, make sure to line up the grooves on the scanner. When loading roll film, make sure you pull out the tray and guide it through the rollers. There's an animation on the screen, which you can also follow. If you're loading microfiche, you can place that under the center glass and push the carrier back. Next, you can click and drag the slider on the application to move the roll forward. You can also click the auto adjust button to automatically set brightness, contrast, crop, and straighten based on the film you put in, along with various other adjustment tools to better view the document. Once you're done, you can slide the carrier forward and double-click the release button, which will wind back up the roll so you can remove it. Put it back in the box and push the carrier back. Next, you can close the application and click on the Windows button on the bottom of the screen, and navigate to the power button in which you can shut down the computer. Thank you for using the microfilm scanner here at Halton Hills Public Library. And if you have any questions, please ask a library associate or refer to the Quick Start Guide next to the research station. Thank you and have a wonderful day.